Who is ORS Nasco? ORS Nasco is a single-source provider offering a comprehensive product portfolio that is as accessible as it is competitively priced. We provide access to over 200,000 premium branded products from more than 600 brands for use in the industrial, welding, safety, energy, construction, and janitorial channel markets. ORS Nasco partners with distributors to provide this single-source wholesale solution, always aligning with our customers, never competing with them. We provide world-class wholesale supply with exceptional customer service, product availability, no minimum order quantities, prepaid freight, and drop shipping to our customer's customer, saving distributors time, money, and unnecessary work. Our nationwide network of distribution centers is strategically located for next-day delivery. Distributors get more faster. ORS Nasco offers tools to help distributors grow their business. As an extension of the supplier, we provide our customers with market-relevant pricing, enabling them to succeed in their local marketplace. We offer a warehouse solution, simplifying the management of distributor inventory through tracking product consumption and auto-refilling products as needed. ORSNasco.com provides distributors easy product search, pricing, inventory, and order tracking. We offer content of 70+ thousand products for customers to create their own customer website. Ongoing marketing support in traditional print and digital platforms provides distributors push-through marketing to reach new and existing customers and grow sales. So, who is ORS Nasco? We're a single-source wholesaler with access to over 200,000 premium branded products while empowering our distributors to succeed. ORS Nasco. Our distributors' business is our business.